back to A to Z Vegetables. We're going to talk about F and we're going to do fennel. So fennel is, hold on, going to get one so you guys can see it. Okay.
It's like a giant celery stalk.
How
with fringes.
cool is this, right? So something you've probably seen at the grocery store but never went and picked it up. It has the fennel bulb at the bottom and then these big leafy greens that look a lot like celery. So today we are going to be using the bulb of it, but you can also use the stalks of it, and both taste delicious. They almost taste and smell like licorice.
Black licorice, delicious.
So good. So some of the benefits of it is, let's talk about that it has iron and phosphorus, calcium, magnesium. There's so much packed into this small vegetable. There's a lot of things that go on together when you have these nutrients in combination that really support the bone structure and the strength in your body as we grow older. That's really, really important. But it's also important for our kids and our young athletes as they are having a lot of impact on their bodies over and over again to keep that bone health up. So increasing some of their leafy greens with things like fennel is really important even for the young athletes that you have.
Yep. So the fiber in fennel, along with the potassium, the vitamin C, the folate, the B6, and all of those things are coupled together to help support heart health. So that's also super important for everyone.
Yes.
Also for young athletes and for older athletes and everyone in general for your heart health. So fennel is a great way to incorporate all of those important components into your diet.
Perfect. Yes. And the last thing we're going to talk about is that it has selenium, is a mineral that occurs in fennel. And it isn't not all, but it is found in most fruits and vegetables, but this has a very high level of that. This really helps with the liver enzymes and the function of your liver, and we do a lot of things to our bodies just in the environment and the foods that we eat nowadays. Our body and our liver is working really hard all the time to get some of those toxins out, and that helps with the liver enzymes and detoxifying your body. So this helps with inflammation, and it has been found every once in a while to actually decrease tumor growth rates. So today we're going to do just an easy salad with this so that it's not real hard, and healthy food doesn't have to be complicated. Nope. It can take just minutes. So what I did is I just cut the bulb off and I took the outside of it out so that you got just the inside core of it. I used a mandolin slicer and I sliced it real thin and chopped it up. I laid it over some arugula, and then I just put 28 grams of fresh Parmesan cheese and peppercorn on there. It's delicious that way. And then I made a fresh dressing from very simple, just fresh lemon juice from a lemon, some more pepper and salt. I did a tiny bit of agave, only 14 grams, and then I added apple cider vinegar to taste. So with that dressing, then you just put that right over this fresh salad. It's really good fresh salad for the summer when you don't really want something weighing or heavy, especially at a barbecue and you're outside. This is really fresh.
This would be an excellent dish to take with you when you have to go places to a barbecue. This is super simple to put together, light and refreshing. Everyone will enjoy it. Perfect. Something to think about.
Yes. So next time you're at the store, think out of your comfort zone and pick up a fennel and get creative. So again, we're here with Jocelyn and Beth with Victory Nutrition, and make today a great day for a victory. Have a good day.